For every tear, triumph, and everything in between, we're here. With more than 35 pediatric subspecialties, East Tennessee Children's Hospital is here every time it matters most.
All right, here comes our cold front. It's going to be spilling in through the overnight hours. That's brought us the cloud coverage throughout the day. And during the overnight hours, a little bit of light rain coming on through. It's also brought us the wind. Now, the wind's going to be with us tomorrow, but not nearly as strong as it was as high pressure starts to build its way on in. So let's pick up our timeline Saturday tonight, I should say, and run you through the overnight hours. Here comes our frontal boundary. You can see how the rain's going to start to fill on in. Again, it is going to be on the light side. It's a moisture-starved cold front. So when you look at precipitation at the surface, we're likely not to get much, maybe a couple sprinkles here in the valley, up to about 1/10 of an inch across the Cumberland Plateau, Tennessee-Kentucky border, upper East Tennessee. I do think the mountains probably have the best chance of seeing a little bit more due to orographic lift. You're forcing the air to go up and over the mountains, so you squeeze out the atmosphere. So maybe upwards of about 1/3 of an inch of rain across the highest peaks of the Smokies. Now, overnight lows tonight, going to dip down into the 50s. A nice mild start to our Sunday morning. Cold front slides off to our southeast. We're going to see increasing sunshine. It's going to be a beautiful day. And that northerly wind's going to be taking shape. And that's going to allow our temperatures to start to slowly come on down as we head through the afternoon. Again, breezy, but the winds relax as we get into the evening hours and not nearly as windy as it was throughout the day. Forecast high temperatures still expected to be in the upper 60s to a few pockets of low 70s, which is still technically above average for this time of the year. But big changes because that colder air is going to swing through as we get into our Monday. And then we'll warm right back up. As a couple more systems head our way, that's going to increase our chances for rain. So when you look at the big picture, rainfall outlook from today through next Friday, there's our system overnight tonight. We're going to have a system through the middle part of the week on Wednesday. Most of that energy is going to be further to our north across Kentucky, but can't rule out a couple of showers. But then as we wrap up the week, here comes a big rainmaker. It's going to produce a lot of snow over into Colorado and a lot of rain, mainly west of the Mississippi River Valley. So here's your 7-day forecast. Average high of 61. Will be pretty average on Monday down to 58 degrees, then come right back up. Mid to upper 60s to even low 70s all the way through the week and the upcoming weekend. And we'll be highlighting the potential for more rain showers as we get into our Friday, Saturday, and maybe Sunday timeframe. So we'll see how that all plays out. Make sure you check back in every once in a while. I'd love to see you every single day. And you can check out your latest forecasts on the East Tennessee Weather app. Check out What's Yours 1 Minute Weather. A quick, easy way to get your forecast every single day.